Did you think building AI-powered apps and making money with them would be easy? I did. I spent countless hours trying to learn coding, testing complicated app builders, and struggling to turn my ideas into something that actually worked. But it was a battle. Looking back, I wish I had known a smarter way to do it. So, to help you make app creation easier, here are the three biggest lessons I learned that can help you build and launch your own AI-powered app faster than most beginners think is possible. The good news is that you don't need a computer science degree, months of coding practice, or a huge budget. Today, I'll show you exactly how beginners are creating functional apps with Base44, an AI-powered app builder designed to simplify the entire process. By the end of this video, you'll know how to go from a simple idea to a working app that you can share, grow, and even monetize. So let's jump right into the first step. Step 1. Sign up and start your project in Base44. The first thing that surprises most people is how quickly you can go from having an idea to actually building something. Many beginners assume that creating an app starts with complicated software, coding tutorials, and technical setup. However, modern AI tools have changed that process dramatically. First, go to the Base44 website and click the Sign Up button. Then, enter your email address, create a password, and verify your account. Next, log into your dashboard and click Create New App. After that, give your project a name that matches your idea. Then choose whether you want to create a web app, a mobile app, or both. Meanwhile, you'll see a collection of templates designed for different types of projects. For example, you might see templates for productivity apps, fitness trackers, habit builders, booking systems, educational tools, or community platforms. The experience of many new creators shows that starting with a template often saves hours of setup time because the basic structure is already built for you. However, if you have a completely unique idea, you can also start from scratch. Here's something many beginners don't realize. Templates are not permanent. You can completely change the layout, colors, screens, features, and functionality later. This means you're never locked into the original design. As a result, you can focus on getting started instead of worrying about making every decision perfectly on day one. And that leads directly to the part that makes Base44 so powerful. It's AI Design Assistant. Step 2. Design and build your AP with AI. This is where things start getting really exciting. Instead of manually designing every screen, many creators simply describe what they want and let AI generate the first version for them. For example, imagine typing, "I want a modern home screen with a welcome message, a profile section, and 3 colorful navigation buttons." Within seconds, the AI can generate a complete layout based on that description. This means you spend less time building and more time refining your idea. To do this yourself, start by selecting an existing screen or clicking Add Screen. Next, open the AI Design or AI Assistant feature. Then describe the screen you want using simple language. For example, create a profile page with a user photo, username, edit button, and settings menu. Or build a fitness dashboard that displays daily workouts, calories burned, and progress charts. After that, allow the AI to generate the layout. You'll typically receive a complete design that includes structure, sample content, navigation elements, and visual styling. From there, simply drag and drop components into new positions or click individual elements to edit them. This is one of the reasons many beginners feel comfortable using AI-powered builders. Instead of learning technical design systems, they can focus on communicating ideas. Now let's talk about something most people are interested in from the beginning: monetization. Building an app is exciting. Building an app that can generate revenue is even better. Fortunately, many monetization features can be added during the design process. For example, you can ask the AI to create a premium membership page or add a subscription screen. As a result, your monetization strategy becomes part of the app from the beginning rather than something you try to add later. Many successful apps generate revenue through subscriptions, premium upgrades, exclusive content, referral programs, digital products, or advertising. The advantage of AI-assisted development is that you can experiment with these models quickly without rebuilding your entire application. Here's a simple productivity hack that many creators use. Before designing anything, write down 3 things: who the app helps, what problem it solves, and what action you want users to take. Once you have those answers, simply feed them into the AI assistant. The results are usually much more focused because the AI has a clear direction to follow. And once your design is ready, it's time for the final stage, launching your app. Step 3. Test, publish, and share your app. This is the moment where your idea becomes something real. Many people assume publishing an app requires App Store approvals, complicated deployment processes, and technical setup. However, one of the biggest advantages of modern AI app builders is how simple publishing has become. First, open the live preview mode. Then test every button, screen, menu, and user flow. Next, make any adjustments that improve the experience. After that, click the Publish button. Within moments, you'll receive a live version of your app. Depending on your settings, you can choose whether the app is public or private. Then copy the app link or scan the generated QR code to open it directly on your phone. This allows you to immediately experience the app from the perspective of your users. After testing it on your device, begin sharing it. For example, post it on social media, include it in your email signature, share it with friends and family, send it to potential customers, or use it as part of your business portfolio. One advantage frequently mentioned by creators is that Base44 automatically generates mobile-friendly experiences. This means you don't have to spend time optimizing for dozens of different screen sizes. As a result, your app works smoothly across devices with minimal additional effort. And here's something important to remember. Publishing isn't the finish line, it's the beginning. Every piece of user feedback helps improve your app. Whenever you want to make changes, simply return to the editor, update your design, and publish again. Now let's put this into perspective. Traditionally, creating an app often meant hiring developers. Depending on complexity, professional app development can cost anywhere from $5,000 to $20,000 or more. Alternatively, learning traditional coding can require 6 months to a year of study before most beginners feel comfortable building complete applications. In contrast, AI-powered builders dramatically reduce both the learning curve and the upfront investment. For many creators, the cost is closer to a software subscription than a major development project. That difference allows more people to test ideas without taking significant financial risks. But what if I'm not creative? That's completely normal. The AI helps generate layouts, features, and ideas. Your role is simply to guide the direction. What if I don't know which features my app needs? Templates and AI suggestions provide a strong starting point based on common app structures that users already understand. Will my app look generic? Not at all. You can customize layouts, branding, colors, content, and functionality to match your vision. Is this beginner-friendly? Absolutely. If you can describe an idea and use drag and drop tools, you can start building. The immediate benefit is speed. Instead of waiting months, you can have a working prototype in hours. The social benefit is visibility. You can share your app with friends, customers, clients, or your audience immediately. The financial benefit is efficiency. You avoid the high costs often associated with traditional development. And the creative benefit is freedom. You can test ideas, improve them quickly, and bring concepts to life without getting stuck in technical roadblocks. If you've been waiting for the perfect moment to build your app, this is probably it. The barrier to entry has never been lower, and the tools have never been more accessible. You can spend thousands hiring developers or spend months learning to code before building your first project. Or you can start experimenting with AI-assisted app creation today and see what's possible for yourself. You'll find the Base44 link in the description below. Give it a try, build your first project, and see how far you can take your idea. And if you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment with the app you're planning to build next. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly AI and tech tutorials because the next step after building your first app is learning how to grow it, attract users, and turn it into something even bigger. I'll see you in the next video.